Dumelang thobela sanibonani bolweni botani lochani absheng. Guys, I'm back again with another one. It's a story time. Yeah, I just feel good, man. I'm on my way to town, by the way. I'm in preparation for the retreat. But before I dash off, and I'm on a fast and a cleanse program, so I need to go and come back quickly. But anyway, I do feel like giving you this story time. And there's something to learn from this story I'm about to share with you. Once upon a time, kwasukasukela, chos. Bethunani, I think I'm sharing this because I realized, Guti, when you say things, when you say things without mentioning an event, sometimes they don't stick up here. I want you guys to honestly sometimes, take things in, we understand, and take isiko seriously. I think this is the moral of this story. Isiko ayonto yodlala, guys. Abantu abadala baxoki xa besithi lidaya linenkqayi. And those that were here before us, we can learn a thing or two from them. We understand some of the stories, our forefathers, our fathers left us with, I think we should, keep them, learn something, man, from someone. Learn something from me, at least. Ne? Story time. Hey, guys. I was once in a situation where I was called, ne? Not called, a family came, ne, for imvumisa. It was very easy, imvumisa yakhona, like very easy. It was a walk in the park. They made it so easy. I didn't even have to say anything. It was the initiates that actually abachana imvumisa. We understand. I got in, they were done. We understand. Because obviously I teach my initiates to be like poropopop vula mehlo. Sometimes even before you are in spirit, what you see with your eyes already can tell you a story about the person in front of you that has come for a consultation. So this family has come here for imvumisa. One, it's only men, no woman amongst them. Two, they are all in overalls. Three, you can see ubulongwe emarifini abo. You understand? Meaning aba bantu baphume plant basically. You understand? And the anger, we understand, they are panicky, and you can sense tension and anxiety amongst them. And you can see which they are rushing. Time is not on their side. Yabo. It was already after 4 p.m. So obviously these people were busy with something, and something did not happen maybe, and they felt they needed to consult. Now they are here, and obviously they wanna go back and finish whatever it is that they were busy with before the end of the day, before it gets dark. Like, as you can see, ukuthi bayapanika abonwabanga. Uyayiva ke ngoku? Fine. So my initiates, like, obviously these things I will tell you, look, xa befika so, you understand? Yazi manje ubadom, kubona bedom sowuqeshiwe, uthi xa kuphe ngetray wena usafuna ukhwaza umoya. So anyway, imvumisa ke itsho into yoba inkomo ayikhalanga. Uyayiva? Ubulongwe kaloku ukubone, meaning bekubhizi apha. Obviously mhlawumbi inkomo ibivalelwe nezinye inkomo, so kwabakho ubulongwe ebuhlanti, hence ubulongwe ezilantukeni emarifini. You understand? Bayibibhokhwe, ibhokhwe sozivalelwe neenkomo, obviously. Ukubona xa ungulayita asoze ungayiboni, uyayiva ke ngoku. So itsho ke imvumisa hayi baphose ukubona. And then isigwebo ke ngoku kutheni ingakhalanga, uyayiva. That's where ke ngoku mna I had to come in, because obviously initiates will struggle here and there. Isigwebo, I come in and I'm like, obviously kaloku now I have to evoke spirit to understand kuvuke umoya, so that I am able to ukubone donsa ngomoya ukuthi kakuhle kakuhle ingxaki iphi, ne. For me, the fact that there's men only, even if niphethe icimbi, you understand, and it's men obviously that are leaders of imicimbi, but there are women in any family, you understand. Why is there no women amongst them? So I'm like, guys, are you together as a family? Because I don't feel like lo msebenzi niwenza ni together. There is really, honestly, nothing complicated here. What is lacking is unity in your family. And Israel wants to show you ukuthi they will not accept anything that you bring to them if you are not united. That's all I said to them. And they couldn't believe me. They were like, you know what, if you say so, come with us. Sizobona into yoba xa uyithetha le nto ngomlomo wakho izawukhala le nkomo. I was like, no, it's not about ukuthetha ngomlomo. What is important is that you guys iron out your issues. Whoever it is that you did not invite to this mcimbi wenu needs to be invited, and you need to apologize to that person for not inviting them. If they don't come after you have apologized, that's on them, not on you now. You know, you could see it's something, you know, abangekho happy with, but they are willing to take the chance and do it. But they still wanted me to go with them. I'm like, what will happen? That is already there. They were like, you know what? It was my first experience ever. I'm walking into umzi onomcimbi kukho amagqirha, and igqirha has to step aside. For me that day, I realized ukuba ligqirha is not easy. And I felt pain yalo tata. Uyayiva ke ngoku ukhokele lo msebenzi. You understand? It was husband and wife, by the way. Bakhokele lo msebenzi. And if it was me, to be honest with you, the minute you bring in another gqirha, I'm out of them now. Like out. As soon as. In fact, by the time you go consult, send him kilem. I will never wait for the family to come back. Dilindendo. Indoyisiwe kaloku mna khange ndiyibone. You know, it happens, guys. It happens. We are not thixo, andingo thixo. It can happen to me as well. That's what you always pray for. Uyazila xa usiya emsebenzini, because you don't know what to expect. Uyeva ke ngoku kuba nzima manyanya. So we got there, and they called a meeting. They explained to everyone what I had just said. Ne? Umama wekhaya, uyeva, stood up and said, I am so happy someone has picked that up, because this is what we've been asking. How can we carry on umsebenzi osibanibani bengekho? Only to find ukuthi igqirha, you understand, had come in between, you understand, and drove trying to build a wedge, or drove a wedge, ulondo wethu English yiyo, between, these family members, to say no, this one, urongo, you understand, this is what is supposed to happen. You understand? It was a matter of ukuchinjwa kwesiduko. Uyayiva? Other family members are saying, we are not willing ukuchinja isiduko sethu thina. You understand? On a hunch of igqirha saying isiduko sethu sirongo. You understand? Meaning, umakhulu waxexeza. Yeva, so asingabo abalomzi kuthiwa singabo utata wethu ngowomnye umzi. Uyayiva ke ngoku njani kaloku ke ngoku, it's fine. Kutheni saziwa ligqirha yodwa lonto leyo, utsho lo mama. Yeva, but Otata balapha bona uyeva bafuna ukutshintshwa isiduko ngelabo. So aba bangezanga abavumi loo nto yokutshintshwa kwesiduko. But umsebenzi lo uqhutywayo awungowokutshintsha isiduko, it's something else altogether. So kufonelwane ke into ba hey fondini ingathi ngenisondela, kuyafuneka ke ngoku ke sidibane sixoxeni sibonisane. Umsebenzi awukwazi uqhubekeka phambili ningekho siyile gqirheni, and ke ngoku kuzafuneka nibe khona kwenzela into ba sixolisane. They did come, those that could, you understand. Inkomo kwayiwe ebuhlanti ngabo, like it was something to 6 and it's summer, you understand. So kwakusakhanya yakhala inkomo. When I say, guys, it is important that xa niphethe umsebenzi you go to it unified. Isihlwele, you know, inzondelelo yabo kukuba usapho luhlale ludibene. They want us united at all times. Phambi kwesihlole akakho ngcono akakho bhetere kunomnye. No one is better than the other. You understand? When it comes to our spiritual ancestry, they don't care whether you have more money than the other or whether you are older than the other. In front of their eyes, you are all their children. And you will come to them unified. I hope I am heard. I hope I make sense. You understand? It's not a beautiful story to tell because someone was heard, but a family came together and realized they had issues to iron out. And going forward, I'm sure they will never, ever, you know, do what they did, going to emsebenzini, ukuya kubantu abadala, ukusondela ebantwini abadala, divided. That's my story for today. Thank you, guys. Continue subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing the videos. Most importantly, do not skip the ads, guys. They pay the bills. Thank you for everything, guys. Bye.